Hello everyone and welcome back to Neo Explains. Today I come with this math question. 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 1 parenthesis 2. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer whatever it is, right or wrong. I will give you shout out in my next video. Must comment. Okay, so we will solve here. Like we will rewrite 8 divided by 2 1 plus 1 times 2. So many solve like this. 8 divided by 2, 1 plus 1 which equals to 2, and they will solve like 2 times 2 that is 4 times 2 that is 8, and here 8 divided by 8 which give them result 1. But this is the wrong way. If you are solving this way, I will show you the right way. We will follow here the PEMDAS, simple PEMDAS, nothing extra. We will rewrite our question again here. 8 divided by 2, 1 plus 1 times 2. As we know PEMDAS, we have to solve this parenthesis first. So we will solve this parenthesis part first. 1 plus 1 will be given 2. Okay. So what we get? We will rewrite again 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 and 2. Okay, we can simply write 8 divided by 2 times 2 times 2. As we know, all operations are here: division, multiplication. As we know, division and multiplication has same priority and we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this 8 by 2 part. So we will solve this 8 by 2 which will be given to 4. So here 4, and we will rewrite again times 2 times 2. Now this is very simple. 4 times 2 that is 8 times 2 which equals to 16. So here right answer is 16. And if you are seen here 60 plus, then must check out our product list right in the description and watch these videos. And thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.